Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you a little quick get ready with me. I haven't been able to post as much as I'd like to lately. The salons are back open now and I've been extremely busy with work catching up with all my clients. I still haven't even got my own hair done yet. So I'm hoping with this new schedule and getting back into a new routine, I will find more time to create more videos for everyone. I don't have a lot of time to spend doing my makeup today, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial using my mascara makeup. I have absolutely fallen in love with this line. It's the easiest makeup I have ever used. Ever since I started using this line, my makeup game has totally changed. I feel like my skin looks radiant all the time. This is cream based, so it's super easy to work with and moisturizing to your skin. It's also waterproof, which is great for the summer. You're also only using one layer for your contour and your highlight. So you're adding dimension to your face and creating shadows without layers of makeup. Everything looks really natural and enhances your natural beauty. The great thing is you honestly need one brush for your foundation and your contour. Right now you can see that I'm applying my highlight color to the places where I want to be highlighted, which is under my eyes, along my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I typically like to use June for a little extra brightening and the color Amber as my main color. I am now taking my detail hack brush, which I love for contouring, and I take the color Olive and I start creating a dabbing motion along my cheekbones. You don't need to use this brush, but I love it specifically for my contour. So I'm creating that dabbing motion along my forehead as well, and I'll also put that on my jawline. With this line, you don't need to blend as you go. You can apply everything and then blend it at the end. Once I've applied my contour, I'll go back with my 30-second hack brush and I'll clean up the lines under my cheekbones to perfect the contour. Now, taking my blush brush, I am using the larger side and I'm adding my favorite bronzer, which is Bella. I'm just going to lightly brush that over the places where I have contoured, so it's just over the line. Since it's summer, I just want to add a little bit more color to my skin, giving it more of a sun-kissed look. All I have to do is flip the brush over and use the other end. I'll apply my blush and I'm using the color Hollywood. This blush color has a bit of like a golden shimmer to it, so I've been loving it. Once I'm done applying it, I'll go back to my 30-second hack brush and I'll use the opposite end of what I used to apply and I'll just blend everything together. Sometimes I'll take my setting spray and put it onto my sponge and dab that all over. Now, as I apply my eyeshadow as a base, I will use one of my highlight colors. I like to use my finger for that and I gently dab that on my lid. I'll let that sit for a minute to sink into my skin, and then I totally forgot to contour my nose, so I will do that right now. I like to use the smaller end of my eyeshadow brush and I'll just create lines using my contour along the sides of my nose. Mascara has so many great eyeshadow colors, but today I am using a neutral color and I am taking the color Bubba and I'm putting that into my creases. I just zoomed the camera in a little bit so you can see where I'm blending it, and you could tell that the colors are so pigmented, it's very easy to work with. I'll just move it around in a circular and back and forth motion into the crease. Once I'm done applying that, I'll take the color Rome, which is a very light neutral color and it's got some shimmer to it, and I'm just going to apply that to the rest of my lid. I just wanted something very simple and easy for today. I'll then line my eye. I'm just using a Maybelline liquid liner. I like to just trace out the outer corners and then line it in. Once I'm done with my liner, I will apply some lashes. I'm not a huge fan of mascara because I'm a hairstylist, and as I'm working all day, I feel like I'm sweating because it's summer and it's super busy. So I feel like it's all over my face, so my best bet is to use strip lashes. I'll quickly glue those on, and I like to perfect where I place them using my tweezers. For a little bit of a fun effect and to make my eyes pop a bit more, I'm going to line the outer corners of my eyes using the color Bubba. Now that I'm not as close to the camera, you guys can really see the color right here. It's so beautiful. I get so excited using these shadows. I get so excited when you guys can see clearly in the camera how pretty these shadows look and how little effort I'm putting into my makeup. Right now I am adding my favorite illuminator, which is Pearl. I am taking the larger end of my blush brush and just kind of dusting it all over my face. A great way to make your lips look a little bit bigger is to contour them. I'll take a lip brush and just outline them very gently using my contour color. I love that you can use these cheek colors on your lips as well, so I'm using the matching color Hollywood on my lips and just dabbing it on with my finger. I'll get closer to the camera so you guys can really see how beautiful these colors are and how natural my skin is looking. I'll leave a link below so you can get your own free customized color match for these products, and I'll also list the colors that I used on myself today. So yesterday when I washed my hair, I just threw it into a braid when it was wet. I wasn't planning to wear it wavy the next day. I didn't really think about it, but now that I'm here, I'm just going to work with what I have. So I'm just taking it out of the braid and combing it through with my fingers. Some of the pieces didn't get as wavy as the others, so I'm going to use this waver, and I'm only going to use it in the places that are a little more straight. If this is a look you are purposely wanting to achieve, what you can do is put it into 2 French braids, and you probably won't have the issue of having straight pieces the next day. I'm going to get close to the root on some of the pieces to add a little more body so I'm not just puffy out at the ends of my hair. This is a Hot Tools waver, so I'm just taking the pieces and clamping it down for a few seconds and releasing. Starting near the root and just working my way down. This style is great because it'll probably last me for about 2 to 3 days. It'll have a little more body today and it'll loosen up through the next couple days, but it's all very beachy and pretty looking. Now I'm not just waving the pieces that sit on top, I'm getting some of the pieces that are underneath my top layer because I want to make sure that I have some volume. Once I'm done with that, I'll kind of rough it up and I'm going to use my Joico Hair Shake, which is a texturizing spray. This product is going to add volume to your hair, and that's why I like to spray it, especially at my roots. I'll work that product in by messing my hair a little bit and playing around, seeing where I want it to lay. This whole look today only took me about 15 minutes. If you are loving this look and want to see more quick tutorials, then please follow my Instagram and my Facebook page, which I will leave the links below in the description box for. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. I will see you again soon.